What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? Before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, my bad. Before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that good stuff. Hold on, I'm trying to go to my page. 1 second. 1 second. Let this load real quick. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Alright, it's loading up right here. Like I said, don't forget to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, you know, SgmCashoutKing. But the Facebook is not SgmCashoutKing, it's SgmCashoutKing. That page got deleted, excuse me. So don't forget to add me on there, especially if you're serious about this, you know, joining this business. Like I said, the apps and everything, websites is fun. You know what I'm saying? You get a little extra cash, but the real money is in this business opportunity. If you're 18 and over in the US, you know what I'm saying? Inbox me if you're serious only. Don't waste my time or yours. But anyways, I'm gonna do something. I'm about to go to this app. Yeah, I've probably seen before. I actually did a video on it about a week ago. But I'm about to do something. I wanted to cash out that. I wanted to cash out a couple of days ago, but I ended up not cashing out. But I'm gonna do something I haven't done before. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to the app. Usually when I do an app and I'm gonna cash out, you know, I talk about the app, you know what I'm saying, break it down, and then, you know, I cash out. I'm not gonna do that this time. This video is about the app called Sweat Coins, and I'm not gonna break down the video first. I'm just gonna cash out. I'm gonna get to the point, get to the money. That's what a lot of y'all wanna see. Like I said, at the end of the day, this is a workout app, you know what I'm saying, walking, running, you know what I'm saying. It's moving around, period. Like I said, it's not much to this app. You know what I'm saying? It's not like you got to do a certain thing. Besides sharing it to people, you know what I'm saying? Especially, one thing that's big right now is working out health. You know what I'm saying? So this app would be great for that. But like I said, let's get to the money. Let's get right to it. Right there, I'm going to cash out $100. You know what I'm saying? $100. I'm going to press get. Confirm. Let that load up. Okie dokie, blase, blase, blase. So, like I said, when it comes down to this, they make you send something, email them, screenshot, all this, you know, or set it up, set it up. All the rules is right here. So, like I said, let me see your real name, your Instagram name, blase, blase. Let me go do this real quick because I need both my hands to do this, and I'm gonna be right back. So I got the email with the instructions right there, as you can see. So basically, you're gonna get an email and you just gotta follow instructions. And I think it takes about 2 days. So it's the code. They're gonna have your own code. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna say please send to this email. You're gonna put your real name. You know what I'm saying? Your Instagram, your Snapchat. You know what I'm saying? Your Sweatcoin username. You know what I'm saying? The country, if you're out of the country or bank you use. Being I use PayPal, I put my PayPal email. And that's it. And the last, you know what I'm saying? You will be sent your $100 USD via 2 days. So basically, I gotta wait 48 hours to get my payment. Yeah, I forgot about my damn fucking Snapchat. I think they'll figure it out. I ain't put my Snapchat. But anyways, like I said, they'll figure it out. You send it to the email, and that's it. Like I said, I'll be waiting for that $100. Like I said, first time I ever do that, didn't break nothing down. There ain't nothing really to break down. I just dropped a video a couple days ago on Sweatcoin, so I felt like I'm gonna get right to the money. Plus, ain't really much to explain. Like I said, it was self-explanatory. Either way, if I can explain something on the app, you still gotta figure out for yourself once you get there. So, like I said, as soon as this payment drop, like I said, I'll be, you know what I'm saying, I'll be showing you the proof email, proof in my PayPal, proof everything, so you know it's real. All right, see you soon. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, Sweatcoin Influencer Reward right there, serviced by PayPal. So I'm gonna click it. Got that email right there. See, Sweatcoin sent you $100. Like I said, it goes September 5th. $100. Transaction ID. So let's take it a little bit further. For all my day ones, y'all already know what's up. All my mid tiers, y'all know what's up. Maybe the newbies might need a little bit convincing. But right here, pressing PayPal. I want to borrow my finger as usual. You know what I'm saying, to confirm who I am. Let that load up real quick. Taking damn long. Hurry up, man. There you go right there. Press my hand so you can see it's official. You know, no screenshot, none of that crap. Alright. See activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. Sweat coin, pay, receive, $100, as you can see right there. September 5th. They go to proof right there, all you need. Like I said, I could go back on it. Press it again, see activity. There it is. Right there. Again, $100 in my PayPal. Just like that. Like I said, it's the first time I ever get right to the cash out. Usually, you know, break down the app. But this time I want to do something a little bit different. But like I said, people that's gonna use this app, like I said, you already know what to do. It's like I said, it's a workout app, you know what I'm saying? Click it, use it, you know what I'm saying? Work out, walk. Even if you're walking, you don't have to be necessarily walking, well, I mean working out. You're moving, it's gonna work. It's gonna track everything, like I said. And share your link on social media, you know what I'm saying? Share it to your friends. Like I said, health is a big thing that people, you know, are using right now. Like I said, why not get paid to work out, to walk? A lot of people walk a lot of people run, a lot of people do whatever. As long as you're moving, like I said, collect them coins, like I said, and get paid, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. So make sure, like I said, you click that and get started, you know what I mean? And go follow me on social media as well. Instagram, SgmCashoutKing, Snapchat, and also Twitter. And my Facebook is SgmCashoutKing. So follow me on my social media platforms. Let's stay connected. You know what I mean? Because you never know what will happen with these platforms nowadays. Just things be happening, like I said. And contact me if you're interested in a real business, like I said, because that's going to be the wave of the future. Not just that business. I'm just saying a business overall. Like I said, you want to be making money on 1,000 and a weekly and monthly. Like I said, you got residual bills. You know what I'm saying? You need to have residual payments coming in to get to pay those bills and have extra money in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to get out of your comfort zone. You know what I'm saying? And step to the next level. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to work for the next man and build his enterprise in 9 to 5 all your life. So at the end of the day, hit me up. And you already know what to do. So the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out